Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see my 5 eye looks on the brand new Urban Decay Naked palette, the Wild West palette. I just have to say right off the bat, this was fantastic, so I'm giving it a positive review right here in the beginning, just so you guys know that I did have such a fantastic time using this, and I'll give you a few more final thoughts at the end of the video. But overall, this was a great palette, and I can't wait to share with you guys the 5 looks that I created using this. So definitely buckle up and get ready. Also, I want to mention that I do have a giveaway going on right now. I did just do, I think, like 8 eye looks. Yeah, it was 8 eye looks with the new Tartelette Juicy palette, and honestly, this one was not that great. I have a video on it, and I also have a giveaway in that video, so if you want to check it out or enter my giveaway, I will have a link down below to the giveaway. And I also am in the process of doing a review on the new Marc Jacobs collection, so that one will be up soon. It's currently on my face, and I guess that's everything that I want to mention. So if you are into these types of videos from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal and eyeshadow palette reviewing gal now, because I've been doing this a lot recently, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already sitting here and viewing this video, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us, and we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun, could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight. And that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another.
Okay, so final thoughts on the Urban Decay Wild West palette. I am absolutely blown away by this palette. I absolutely had a fantastic time playing with it. It's just all around beautiful. These just blended so well together. I do have to mention the blue look that I created on this eye. I accidentally went too far in, so it kind of looked not as good as I intentionally meant for it to, because I put it way too much in my like inner corner. But just know that was a mistake. So the blue look didn't turn out as like I wanted it to, but that's because I brought it in too much. But other than that, I had zero problems. I had maybe a little bit of fallout with this silver shade because I was really packing it on, and I used a wet brush for that shade to really just let it shine through. And I loved all the looks that I created, and I can't wait to play with this more. This is definitely a palette that I'm keeping in my permanent collection to stay for quite some time. It's a lovely palette, and even though these three shades here are kind of similar, they're all completely different shades. Very, very fantastic. We also have the dark over here that really gives a lot of dimension here, so you can just play around and do all sorts of looks. I could probably do 10 more looks right now, but we're just gonna stop at 5. But yeah, I have to say I would go buy this. It's worth the money, and even though it's a, you know, another neutral boring palette with like a pop of blue, it's still phenomenal and the quality is so amazing. So I highly recommend this palette. So didn't let me down. I want to know your thoughts and opinions down below on this palette. Do you plan on picking it up? If you do, I will have a link below where you can go purchase. And yeah, I guess that's it. So thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!